I'm taking the bike because the bike is sweating at the engine level. I'm taking Highway 41. I'm at the Science Museum in Hyde Park. Just pulled over to check the status of the bike. The bike is sweating. Both the sides. Sweating this side too. With this continuous sweating going on, it appears that we may need some major repairs. So I'll have to leave the bike at the dealership and possibly done for this winter. I hope not, because they may need some parts. They may not, or maybe just a gasket. We'll find out soon. Another 3 hours and we'll be at Elkhart. Let's go.
We didn't make it this year.
I'm looking for a bike that's at 650. This is a little underpowered, man.
Well,
This was.
Royal Enfield makes it.
They were 650.
650 Interceptor.
Mm.
I think we got one sitting out there.
My train to Chicago is 4:30. They can't fix this. It's a major problem. I had to leave the bike at Elkhart, Indiana, for the dealership to fix it. Looks like it has a major issue. So took a cab from Elkhart to South Bend International Airport. Actually, I went to Amtrak station. There's no train till 9 o'clock. So I came back to South Bend International Airport. And sitting in the airport, there's a train from here that goes to Chicago. How about a drink at the bar before we fly? During World War II, over 10,000 DC-3s were produced under designation of C-47, C-53, R-4D, and Dakota. These look like World War memorabilia. So the train is at 8 o'clock and then another 2.5 hour ride and 1 more hour on the red line. Just things you have to do to ride a motorcycle. If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride. Oh, I should be able to get a bus home. That's cool. Let's keep going home. So finally, after a 13-hour day, back home and ready to take some rest, eat some food, relax. The bike will get back in its original format very soon. Give me a call, probably get dropped back. Till then, see you next time.